I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. As you can see, my office looks a little bit different. My wife and I were working on downsizing from a house to an apartment since most of our kids had left for college and moved out. But right after we listed the house, a water line broke, so we got real busy with dealing with the repairs and the insurance company and all that stuff. So we're in an apartment now. I'm still working on getting the spacing, the lighting, and the sound and everything worked out, so bear with me for a couple of videos. But alas, I'm finally able to press record, and today we are reviewing Anson belts. I'm Bill Sweet, and this is the Dad Bod. Get ready, because it's going to be a punny ride. I told my parents a joke, they fell down laughing. My belt is my biggest supporter. I'm just belting out good vibes today. Who needs abs when you got a belt? Okay, that's enough for now. So I've been seeing a lot of these ads and promotions for these micro-adjustable belts. I finally went and got a couple of generic ones on Amazon about a year and a half, maybe closer to 2 years ago. They had some issues, but they're okay. However, I want to see what the difference between the cheap ones that are like $25 on Amazon or other retail stores and the nice quality ones. And this brings us to a company called Anson. I've seen several videos from, big name influencers and other people doing reviews for these belts, and I wanted to see if it was legit. On their website, they've got quite a few options. It's not like a single option where you have a belt that comes with a buckle and that's it. They're very versatile at Anson. You can get the belts separate for about $28 each. You can get the buckles separate for about $25 each. You can get multiples of each. That way you can mix them and match them. A belt and a buckle costs about $50 from their standard collection. They do have a premier selection with things like crocodile, Italian calfskin, and bison leather that, these ones cost a little bit more. Up until last year, my more commonly worn belt was this one right here. This one's from Amazon. It was about $25. It worked for what I needed to, but it had some issues. When I would sit down, it would sometimes pop and loosen up on its own. And then when I stand up, I'd have to, retighten my belt. It would sometimes get activated while I was walking and it would start loosening up. But it's, aside from that, it worked to keep my pants up mostly. So I had a black belt and I had a brown belt. I would swap them based on the shoes that I was wearing. And then I got another pair also on Amazon that would let you swap out the buckle. So that way you can change that based upon, if you're wearing a silver watch or if you're wearing a watch with a leather band. Now, before I keep going, I just want to note that this video is not sponsored. Anson did reach out to me over the summer and asked me if I would want to do an honest review of their belts. And like I said, I'd seen several glowing reviews, so I jumped at the chance. I wanted to find out if all adjustable belts had the same issues or if it was just the more affordable ones that I was getting on Amazon. And I was also curious to see how well these ones would hold up when I swapped out the buckle regularly. On my previous belts, I could technically do that, but after a few times, it would hold the buckle less and less securely each time, so I had to stop swapping it. So yeah, they sent me the belts to try out, but I'm under no obligation to say anything specific. These are my thoughts, my observations, and mine alone. And, if you've been watching this channel for a while, I pride myself on providing honest reviews. So yeah, I have this box set. It comes with 3 belt straps and 3 buckles, and you have dozens and dozens of straps and buckles that you can choose from while you mix and match. So just, go ahead and check out their website and you'll understand what I mean when I say that they have dozens and dozens. So this one here is their 6-piece, 3 belts, 3 buckles. I believe on their website right now, they have a promotion going on with their 5-piece where you can get 2 standard belts and 3 buckles, which means you pretty much get an extra belt buckle for free. Again, that's what's on their website now. It could change depending on when you're watching this video. So for these, I did go with the 1.25-inch belts at 55 inches in length. For the belt straps, I got a black microfiber, a whiskey microfiber, and a cloth one that's navy with a white stripe. For the buckles, I got the onyx silver, the traditional black with curve, and the Golf Gold. This way I've got a casual belt for when I'm wearing jeans, a black belt, and a brown belt. That way I can, choose the belt based on what color suit I'm wearing, what color pants I'm wearing, what color shoes I'm wearing. So yeah, it arrived pretty quickly, and here it is. Comes with this nice packaging, which would be great if you're giving it to someone as a gift. Father's Day is coming up. It's pretty sleek looking. I did have to trim the belt down. I tend to get it a little larger than I need, and then I trim the belt to where I need it, as opposed to risking it being smaller than I need for obvious reasons. And then it's easy. Just a regular pair of scissors can do it just fine. Just cut where you need to. And then put the buckle on. I've been using the black belt and the cloth belt since August. I wanted to keep the brown one here so that way you could see it and I could show you how to cut it if needed, which is, I'll throw that in this video once I'm finished recording. Something I noticed is it's pretty easy to remove this, not accidentally removing it easy, but with my Amazon belts, I pretty much needed a screwdriver to get up underneath the latch. And with these, I didn't need to. When you're wearing it, you can adjust the belt in 1/4-inch increments. Gone are the days of those 1-inch belt hole adjustments where you had to dig a knife into it to make new holes. I also noticed that the belt doesn't just loosen up when you apply a little bit of pressure to this lever like the ones that I got at Walmart and Amazon. You have to pull the belt slightly and then push the latch to loosen it to take off the belt, which is great because it doesn't loosen up by itself because of my belly or my clothing pushing on it. Like I said, I've been wearing these two most days for the past 6 months, and here's a close-up of the belts. There isn't many scratches or wear and tear yet. The materials are pretty nice quality. So yeah, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. A lot of times when I see a company doing a massive promotion on social media like this, their stuff is cheap Asian-made stuff like, what was it called? There was Gatsby shoes, there was the Breeze shoes, Wrist Mafia watches. Anson belts aren't doing any of that. They are promoting like crazy, but their belts are legit. As the cool kids would say, these belts are slay, fire, no cap, or something like that. I used to know all the cool kids lingo before my kids moved away for college, but either way, these are nice belts. If you're interested in getting one for you or somebody you know, I'm going to leave a link with a discount in the video description for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe before you head over there. Also, don't forget to check out this video right here, and I'll see you there.